this 20-volt drill I've used most of the time while working in a body shop, drilling out spot welds on cars. It's been used a ton for that. It's got forward and reverse, adjustable chuck. You can set it to drill or different torque settings. It has a high and a low speed for if you're drilling something like a heavy duty spot weld. You want it where it's cutting real slow so you're not burning up your drill bit. And the impact also has forward and reverse, and then it has the quick bit change, so you can go from using like a hex bit to a Phillips bit for whatever kind of job you're doing. And I just recently used both of these tools for building a 12 by 24 horse shelter for my wife, and they were great. The batteries tend to last about at least 4 hours if you're just running screws or something. So even for being the small battery, they last a long time. The nice thing about the smaller battery is it's not super heavy if you're working with the tool, going up and down a ladder or something like that. But overall, these have been excellent tools to own.